we're taking you through some big news coming in on Hemant Soren, former Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Supreme Court has refused to entertain the former Jharkhand Chief Minister's plea challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case. Soren's lawyers withdraw the petition after the court expresses reservation in entertaining the case at hand. Supreme Court remarks that Hemant Soren's lawyers have suppressed the facts and have not come out clean. In fact, Hemant Soren has been facing multiple allegations, one of them money laundering. And here we see he's tried to challenge the ED's arrest in court. While the Supreme Court hears the matter, it refuses to entertain the former Jharkhand Chief Minister's plea. In fact, Soren lawyers withdrawing the petition right after court expresses reservation in entertaining this case at hand. Kanu Sharda joining us for more on that. Kanu, please go on, elaborate to us. Court refuses to entertain Hemant Soren's petition on what grounds?
Well, Nabila, the Supreme Court has categorically pointed out that the lawyers of Hemant Soren have suppressed certain facts with regard to the fact that the trial court had in Ranchi had already taken the cognizance on the PMLA case which was filed against Hemant Soren, and subsequently a bail petition was also dismissed. All these facts were very crucial for the Supreme Court to entertain the petition in the first place only. But the lawyers appearing for Hemant Soren have suppressed all these facts, and also their petitions filed in the top court have suppressed all these things. So this has been a bone of contention for the top court today, and the top court only on the basis of the suppression of the facts have said that Soren and his lawyers have not come with the clean hands. They have not disclosed all the facts and the statements made in the case before the trial court and before the High Court itself. So now the case goes back to the trial court. Now the lawyers will have to take necessary legal remedies, and they might approach the Jharkhand High Court in this case and seek bail. But for now, Hemant Soren will have to stay in jail, and he won't be able to campaign as what he has argued in the top court for the past few days, that he wanted a relief, interim relief, like what Arvind Kejriwal has got for campaigning in the elections. He has cited the similar stances, but the top court has said that he has not come with clean hands, has suppressed the facts before the top court.
All right, interesting. So Hemant Soren has multiple cases on him. Money laundering, one of them that the ED is pursuing intently. And while he had gone almost, absconding briefly, yes, but also at the same time, the 9-10 summons that were issued to him repeatedly, Hemant Soren did refuse to adhere to. Finally, he was taken into custody. All of this comes into play while the Supreme Court makes its judgment as well, Kanu?
Yes, exactly. Yesterday also the Supreme Court, while hearing the matter, was of the apprehension that they have not come with clean hands in this case, and this categorically said that the land acquisition matter, which was the bone of contention here, was basically a huge issue. But senior advocate Kapil Sibal, who was appearing for Soren.
All right, we seem to have lost Kanu Shadar's connection, but got a gist of the case here. At this point, the Supreme Court has refused to entertain Hemant Soren's petition, claiming they haven't come with clean hands. Remember, Haryana goes into polls during the last phase of the Lok Sabha elections, and that's on June 1st. And just like how Arvind Kejriwal has been granted bail to campaign in Delhi, of course, Hemant Soren hoping that he's also going to be given the same grant by the Supreme Court. Unfortunately for him, it's been dismissed.